What's up, everyone? This is Dave with Ep Concrete, and today we're going to talk about, does homeowners insurance cover foundation repair? This is 3 minutes of why with your foundation guy. Okay, so today we're going to talk about, does homeowners insurance cover foundation repair? I'm going to set the timer at 3 minutes, and I'm going to try to give you all the information I can and keep it under the time. So does homeowner insurance cover any foundation repair or waterproofing that you might need? The typical general answer to that is not usually. Now, you need to educate yourself. You need to talk to your individual agent and your insurance company, because you might find out that there are several or many different riders or add-ons to your insurance that you can add that will protect you in case you do need foundation repair or waterproofing or have a flood from a natural disaster. One of those riders that I do know about is called sump pump insurance. I don't know if every company offers it, but I have heard of it and I have seen it where certain companies you can add on to your policy where if your sump pump fails, they will cover the replacement of the sump pump, and they will also help with the damages and the effects and the repairs needed from that sump pump failing. Another one that we don't see hardly ever around here, but maybe the people on the East Coast obviously would be earthquake insurance. It's probably cheap in the Midwest here in Nebraska, but you're probably never going to need earthquake insurance. The last one is, and this is usually always covered by homeowners insurance, is if you have a broken water line and or a plumbing line or something that freezes and breaks and floods your basement. That is usually covered by homeowners insurance. But again, just be prepared and know the information. Talk to your agent, talk to your company to find those specific type things out if you can add those different riders. So I wanted to give you a couple quick examples of some things that we've seen throughout the years that were covered and weren't covered by homeowners insurance, just to kind of give you a little bit of education on what we've seen. The first one is just a huge 6-7 inch rain comes, floods your whole entire neighborhood. You've got streams running down between each houses. It fills up all of your window wells and it floods your basement. Is that covered? Typically, no. Another example, and I kind of talked about that in the beginning of the video a little bit, is maybe a hose bib broke or froze on your house. And maybe you didn't realize it and someone turned that hose bib on and it floods your basement. Typically that, from our experience, is usually going to be covered by homeowners insurance. So I hope that answers a few of your questions on, is foundation repair or waterproofing or concrete damage covered by homeowners insurance? Again, I'm going to say it one more time. Ask your agent. Get on the phone and ask them these specific questions. Is a flooded basement covered? Is my sump pump covered? Ask those questions. They might be able to also then help you add riders or add things to your policy that might not cost you much, that might be a good idea for you to add. Again, this is Dave with Ep Concrete, and that was 3 minutes of why with your foundation guy. If you found this video helpful and educational, make sure to subscribe above, and also go follow us on Facebook, and you'll check out all the other videos that we drop.